my primary source of preparation for INI was speed only, sir. I think the videos are top notch because it has everything for all the set of students, like people who want to revise daily, people who want to revise Sabbastian, most recent editions. Because videos wise, it is the most updated platform that is out there. Because and you have separate videos for tables, classification, separate videos for high yields questions. Like each set of population that we have, you cater to all of the population.
I bring in all
Yes.
the wishes and greetings on behalf of the Speed Medical Institute and Faculty of Speed to Gnaneshvar Manivannan for scoring a rank of 42 in MCS Surgical Group in NEET SS session 2025. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Also, thank you for sparing your time to share your experiences with us and to the students who are watching it.
Sure, sir. Not at all. No problem.
Great.
Thank you very much for having me here.
Can we know your background history, where you started till date, what all you have done?
Yes, sir. I'm Dr. Gnaneshvar Manivannan, and I was born and brought up in Chennai, sir. Then I went on to do my undergraduate from PhD Institute of Medical Sciences from Coimbatore. And then I did my surgery residency from Jitmar, Puducherry, sir. And currently I'm working as a senior resident at Mahatma Gandhi Medical College at Puducherry, sir.
Puducherry.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Fantastic. Excellent. Great accomplishment.
Thank you.
Wonderful journey. So,
Thank you.
what is your super specialty interest?
It has always been surgical gastroenterology, so one specialty in mind.
I could see that happiness in your face when you're saying it.
Yes, sir, it's been a long journey.
Okay.
So surgical gastroenterology. So.
Good. Great specialty and great choice. Now, once you
thank you.
Once you decided to do,
thank you.
And what you did, how you did, and what you all prepared, and what's the preparation strategy to achieve a topmost rank like this?
Yes, sir, sure. So I finished my residency at around more than a year back, sir. So then I attempted NEET last year. I got a rank of 223. Again, I just had one specialty in mind and a bunch of colleges as mine. So I just put 4 colleges as my options and I didn't manage to get it. So I thought, okay, that was my first attempt. So may not be my best attempt. So I thought I'll give the exams again. And then I went on to take INI, the July session, and I got ranked 21 at that time. Again, the seats were not that many, so I didn't get a seat. And last month I took the INI SS Jan sessions, 2026. Once again, my interview marks were very low, so I got ranked 35. So then I actually registered for NEET, but after my results of INI, I was not even in a mindset to give NEET because the results didn't go as I expected. But I thought, okay, fine, let me just give it. And somehow I managed to get rank 42. It was just, I don't know, divine intervention, I guess. And and regarding the preparation thing, I actually got to know about speed from my UG batchmate, who's currently doing GI surgery from PGI Chandigarh, Dr. Ramana. I predominantly was using speed for my INI assessor. I was watching Basansa's videos. Almost 90 to 95% of his videos I've finished. So, I also watched your daily 28th edition videos where you just take questions and all. So my primary source of preparation for INI was speed only, sir, for videos. For NEET, I speed up much, but yes, sir. That's good.
Now, are you happy?
Yes, sir. Yes. Definitely happy. Finally, this journey, I think, this preparation journey has come to an end. I'm still letting the fact sink in that, it's a pretty decent rank, might not be a great rank, but it's decent enough to get me a good college, I guess.
Are you giving April NESS as well?
I don't think I, sir, I already, I mean, 1 year, I've been preparing for almost a year now. So I'm not sure. I think I'll just take the seat.
You take the seat, but you give NESS April also
Yes,
because
sir.
you are in the game.
Yes, sir. Yes. Sure, sir.
You are in the game. You are right at the firing level. It's just missing for a single point. You just need to identify where are you missing it.
Yes, sir.
Just you correct us one simple point. Only probably you might only able to figure it out why it's happening. Just correct it and you'll be in. Next NESS April, you take my
Yes,
word.
sir. Yes.
You take my word. Just do one simple correction. Sit for just few, not even study. Just sit where what is going wrong. Just correct that one single aspect because 2 attempts you are close in the game inside, but something is missing. Just
Yes,
give
sir.
1 attempt. Try it.
Yes, sir. Yes. Sure, sir.
To me, if you ask me, I mean, I have coached a lot of people.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So your primary exam was an NESS exam. It's not an NEET exam. Though NEET has given
Yes,
you
sir.
the, I mean, that's what I'm getting from your what you said.
Yes,
And
sir. Yes. Yes.
this just happened to just boost your confidence. And I mean, just don't get carried away with this 40 rank number 42.
Two, sir. 42. Yes, sir.
Don't get carried away with that work.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Definitely, sir. Yes. There's a yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
That is true, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
don't think about 1 year, think about 60, 70 years post MCH.
Yes,
Where
sir.
to be done. I recommend you to attend one of my webinar. It will happen tomorrow. If you're not attended one,
Okay.
that
Yes, sir. Yes.
please
Sure.
attend. I'll ask the team to
Yes,
give
sir.
contact, attend the webinar.
Yes,
You
sir.
know
Yes.
exactly what framework of mind you need to be in.
Yes, sir. Sure.
So I'm not saying leave the seat here, you take the seat, but don't get convinced
Yes,
and
sir. Yes, sir.
kindly go ahead and give NESS April. In case NESS April is also not getting it, correct where you're going wrong and get it the next November.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Because you are an NESS material.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I always felt INISS was easier to crack than NEET. NEET being you have to know all specialties. It's like a master of all, jack of all trades. Whereas
Of,
INISS is just easier to crack, provided it just you have to read only one specialty in detail.
of course,
And I am just fixed with surgical gastroenterology, so I don't have any other options. So I
of
thought
course,
always INI. Yes,
of course, yes.
yes,
So you have all the capacity and all the capability and all the strength to get in. I feel strongly in you.
thank you,
I feel
thank
very
you, thank
strongly.
you. Sir.
So kindly go ahead. Don't stop.
Yes,
Just you have
yes,
this and okay, be safe and comfortable mentally and also in all aspects. But
yes, sir.
don't settle with it. I want to see
Don't
you
settle.
next interview after NESS.
Sure, sir. Yes, definitely. Yes. I'll give it my best shot.
It will happen. Don't stress yourself for
Yes,
this.
sir.
I'm not asking you to stress
Yes,
yourself,
yes,
but I request you don't kindly settle with this.
yes, sir. Yes.
Keep working.
Yes. Sure,
That
sir. Yes.
will make a huge difference in your life.
Yes, sir.
Don't think about 1 or 2 years wasting for this. It's not about the waste. It's about kind of the investment that you're doing. Investment on time, investment on efforts, and what we want to do in the rest of life. Okay?
Yes. Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
So this is what I want to tell you. So 1.5 of 90 minutes of that webinar will give you the enough of mental strength and the strategy. All that you require right now, you have the subject with you, you have the knowledge with you, you have learned, you have trained, you have been trained and successfully, and you have given your exam successfully. It's just missing in a 1 or 2 point. That means it is not your mistake. It is a course of time. It will bound to happen. And all that you need is only a mental strength. Your confidence level is less. You're just smiling at me, but you're not confident of doing it again. Okay.
No, not really, sir. I was always hoping that someone will say it. I mean, I got the rank and I was just happy. Like you said, it was just, I mean, something I'm just keeping my mind just to convince myself from not. And like rightly you said, you have to give that. That is where you belong. Like,
Yeah. So that will give you that 90 minutes will give you the mental strength and the mindset.
yes, sir. I tell you. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, I mean, what is that you want to tell the students, future aspirants of MCH surgical group?
Surgical. Yes, sir. So it is a long journey. I mean, for people who have finished recently or who's about to take your exams, just find a suitable mentor, preferably your seniors who has done it already, and get guidance from them. That will be your best bet because SS preparation is, I mean, we have finished UG, NEET UG, NEET PG, and NEET SS is just another exam. But the thing is, we have already have so many commitments. So will be busy with duties, ward, and most of us are settling with families and other commitments. So find an adequate mentor, get guidance from them, and just trust on your capabilities. And the gold standard for NEET is, I think, is just books, Bailey and Sebastian, cover to cover, and uh, videos are just made. I mean, just make it easier. So if you don't have the time, videos and other stuff, QBank, which will help you reinforce whatever you've read. And using Speed App for almost 8 months, 8 to 1 year, almost 1 year, sir. I think the videos are top notch because it has everything for all the setup students, like people who want to revise Bailey, people who want to revise Sebastian, most recent editions. Because videos, why it is the most updated platform that is out there. Because and you have separate videos for tables, classification, separate videos for high yields questions. Like each set of population that we have, you cater, or I mean, you cater to all of the population. Yes, sir. But apart from that, for SS from Basan sir's videos for INISS, I don't think any other platform out there because I've been preparing for almost 1.5 years. Sir. I've used from my seniors as well as my own subscriptions. But for INISS Gastro, I've never actually find a better videos than Basan sir's. Like top notch from Shackelford and Blumgart. The Shackelford 9th I mean, recent edition being updated, but the old ones are really, really good, sir. He is one of the inspirations who kept me going in this repeated failures. I don't know, the lessons, I would say. Yes. So, I,
Great. So your point is well taken.
thank you. Thank you, sir.
And
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
grateful to the students. Time to thank and whom all you want to thank. You felt that they stood by you from day one till date. You can use the
First, thanks to my parents. Yes, sir. First, thanks to my parents. I mean, they've been with me throughout. I mean, yeah, obviously they're with me since birth. But the struggles, I mean, I've been with them and at home. So they are very supportive and they just say okay to literally everything. Whatever my decisions and all. So I'm forever thankful to them. And second, thanks to my teachers being professors at college, my seniors who have guided me so far, and family, friends, and the almighty. Yes.
great, doctor. I mean, thanks for sharing.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks for sharing all your views and
thank you very much, sir.
For the students. Once again, we wish you all the very best and all the success. As a surgical gastroenterologist, you're going to touch upon many lives and save many lives. Other advanced wishes and congratulations to you.
Thank you, sir.
Great.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you, sir.
Sure. Keep in touch. Best wishes to you.
Thank you, sir.